Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is my website. Go there, check it out. But just a second, stick around. We're showing you a new product. Well, it's not actually a new product. It is a relaunch of an existing product called Viddyoze. It's been around for a while. I actually have it and have used it for my video intro and outros. So if you've watched any of my videos, the intro and the outro stuff was created with this software, and it's pretty cool. I haven't utilized it to its fullest extent. This product is quite amazing. You can do a lot of great stuff with it, and they are relaunching it starting on November 17th. That is tomorrow in the morning, and you're gonna want to grab this before it goes away again. And you're going to be able to get some pretty cool stuff, and I'm going to show you just what you can do with this product and what it's all about. So right now we're on my bonus page, and the link to that bonus page is down in the description below. Go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to this page, and then on this page are some big yellow buttons. You're going to be able to click on these and they will take you to the sales page. So for now, let's take a look and see what the product is and what it's all about. This is Viddyoze. All right, so here we are on the product. This is inside the area where you'll get access to, where you can create all these crazy intros, outros, short videos. There's all kinds of great stuff, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, you can hover over these thumbnails and you can kind of see what the video is. And what you can do is you can add your own images, you can add your own logo, you can do all kinds of cool stuff within these little short videos and be able to create your own personalized videos. And they are pretty cool. So let me scroll down a little bit. We'll watch a couple more of these. So this is petals falling. You got an abstract, a bunch of stuff that pops up. There's some really cool stuff. And if I get down to the bottom of the page, you're going to see there are a ton of pages, and on each page there's approximately 15 different templates that you can use to create intros, outros, and other stuff. You can filter them by category. You can have alpha, extended, intro, live action, logo, outro. And you can see all the different number of templates that are in here. I bought this back in April, so I get 215 in my pro version. Now the commercial version, you're going to get 230 different templates. So you're going to get more than what I've got. And then if you get the personal level, you only get like 135 or 130, 140, something like that. So you're going to want to take advantage of the commercial license. It's only $20 more, and it gives you a whole lot more stuff. There is also a template club that you can be a member of, and what that does is it gives you new templates, and then you get to keep those forever as long as you are a part of the template club. There's also another cool one. It's $297 a month, and what it does is it gives you everything that the commercial license and the template club does, and then some. So, you know, there's some really great options for a business utilizing this software. So you can filter these things, you can sort by, you know, they have different lengths that you can filter by. Older, popular, feedback score, feedback count, random. They also come with audio tracks designed to go with each template. So like this one here, you know, as you can see, it's a bunch of stuff, and and this is the audio track that's built to go with it. And that's where you could put in your own logo. Say you have an architecture firm, or you can contract to get that architecture firm. You can input their logo and build this and sell that to them, and make some money utilizing this system. Anyways. So there's all kinds of great ones. So like I said, there are 15 pages of these templates, and I've got a few. I'm going to show you one I just made the other day. But basically what you do is you click on customize, and then you customize the video. You can add text, you can change the text that's in here, you can change the audio if you like, you can change the colors, you can customize it. And what you can do is you can add all these different texts. You can change them to whatever. You can change them to your channel name, your profile name, your Facebook page, all kinds of stuff. Click on next. It takes you to the next level where you can change the wireframe color. You can change the particle and the text color. And it's really simple. It's just a matter of clicking and adding some text. You can also either do it with or without the audio. A lot of these, this one is actually a like, click, subscribe kind of a outro that you normally wouldn't have your logo in there. So this, like the one I have, comes at the end and drops a bunch of tiles down and just asks you to take action by clicking, liking, or subscribing to my YouTube channel. And so you can create a whole bunch of these things, so you wouldn't necessarily have to use the same one over and over again. I use the same one, but I might have to change that up just because I haven't visited this site for a while, and like I said, I have been underutilizing the potential of this product. What else can I talk about? The new product is going to give you the ability to edit your pictures and stuff right inside the software itself. So you can crop, you can actually go through and you can change things. It's going to be pretty cool. So you're going to be able to do a lot of great stuff with this. Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple more. You know, I could spend all day going through all these different, like this one right here, this cube fracture one here. This is the one I use for my intro. And pardon me, but my computer's a little slow. So this is the one I use for my intro, and there's my logo. That's not my logo, but I have my logo on there. So there's a lot of great little things in here that you can use to create some different videos. So like this one here, you know, concert, you know, you got a coming soon, or doing a music video or something, you can use this to intro that music video. You've got some kind of dark stuff here. You've got a cube logo where it just kind of rolls around, opens up, and then there's your logo. There's all kinds of great intros, outros, and all kinds of different stuff that you can do with all this stuff. And like I said, the audio tracks are created to go with the actual template, and you can also add your own if you think you want to be a little more creative. So there you have it, man. That's Viddyoze, and you're going to get a lot of great creative stuff. Let's jump back over to the bonus page. Let's take a look at the pricing real fast. I kind of covered that a little earlier, and then we'll jump into the bonuses I have for you. So what it is, it's the easiest software automation. Takes a few clicks. It's fully auto video animation software. 3 clicks like I was showing you. A little couple of edits to personalize it, and bam, you have an intro, outro, or a short video. It's a powerful software that you're going to want to take advantage of, and grab your copy and start making those customized intros and outros for your videos. And then also you can utilize this also to kind of sell these things to companies to create advertising. So originally, let's see, the cost on this is $47 for the personal. It's $67 for the commercial product or the commercial license, which I would highly suggest at least getting the $67 commercial license. This is the template club that you're going to get an additional, I think it's 15 or 20 templates per month. And then this is the $297 per month. This is the white label agency product. So this is what you're going to get with that white label agency edition. You're going to get the ability to add 10 sub-users to your account. You can resell the seats to your clients. You can watermark your animations right inside Viddyoze. And it's white label pages, so your clients, let's edit that there real fast. Your clients will see you creating this stuff, and it's kind of your own thing. So they won't even know it's Viddyoze. They'll think it's your thing, which is pretty cool. You're going to get access to the entire 1,500 Viddyoze template library. You can render 10 videos at a time, whereas you can only render one at a time on the two commercial and personal levels. You get access to 5 additional audio tracks per animation, which gives you a lot of flexibility for those intros and outros, because right now they're set up for each intro or each template, and this one's going to give you the option to create these templates and be able to customize them with different audio for each individual say client that you're making, so no two would be alike. Let's see what else you're going to get. You're going to get access to a private media library where you can save your images and assets for later use. You're going to get access to the 15 plus new templates every month. You're going to get Viddyoze Reloaded, where they will take the best performing animations and reload those versions with new templates, giving you even more variety. You get Viddyoze University, gives you access to the previously released training and products and tutorials. And then also you're going to get access to a Viddyoze GIF feature, which is pretty cool. So you can actually save these things as a GIF and embed them into a social media and your websites and emails and stuff. You're also going to get unlimited videos per month that you can create. So you can do all that. There was one other also that I saw that you can actually, oh yeah, here it is. You're going to be able to get the entire platform on your own domain. So they're not going to see any kind of Viddyoze branding, only yours. So it's your system. It's going to give you a lot of clout. So let's go ahead and jump back over to the bonus page real fast. And on this bonus page, you're going to see a demo that you can watch and see how easy it is. We've kind of covered that a little bit. And now let's get into the bonuses. So the first bonus I have for you is bonus number 1. It's how to cash in with Viddyoze. And as you can see John O. Armstrong's name here. I am a member of Ministry of Freedom. These are done for you campaigns that are shot out to the members. We get to use these as part of our video reviews. They give us the bonuses, we give them to you, and it's done for you. That's part of all those done for you campaign things that you see added to these products as bonuses. This is one of those where it's done for you. They give it to us, we give it to you, and simple as that, easy as pie. So bonus number 2 is how to sell videos on Fiverr. So this is part of that creating an agency where you can create these intros, outros, or these short videos and actually sell them on Fiverr and create them for people, and you can earn a nice little income just doing that, creating your own little agency thing. And let's see, bonus number 3 is create logos for your clients using Logo Studio. So you're going to get access to a logo software to be able to create logos for your studio, for your clients, and then those you can use in the Viddyoze platform like I showed you earlier. Bonus number 4, bonus number 4 is SEO blast your site to number 1. This is going to teach you how to do search engine optimization to get your websites ranked, showing up in the search engines, in the top rankings. And then, of course, bonus number 5 are the bonus tutorials, and there are 2 that I'm aware of. Okay, YouTube Accelerator and Reverse Sales Method. Those are the 2 high-quality training courses that come with the commercial license. I don't know if there's any bonuses on the personal license, so that's another reason to grab that commercial license and take advantage of that. So there you have it. Those are all the stuff that I've got for you for Viddyoze. It's pretty cool. So this is one I'd created yesterday. I was tinkering around on the site since I hadn't visited it real fast, and just kind of to give you an idea of what you can do. So these are just, like I said, simple intro, outro kind of videos. So yeah, if you pick up Viddyoze, you're going to have a lot of abilities to be able to create some amazing things. So take advantage of this launch, grab your copy, start getting out there and creating some amazing short videos and making some money with this platform. It certainly is possible. So that's about it. That's all I got for you. Like I said before, it's $47 for the personal. I recommend you at least get the commercial license, and then also, depending on how much you really want to get into this, you can get the $37 per month template club, where you get new templates every month, or you can go full on in for $297 a month if you want to really make a business out of this. And you can, and I've given you some bonuses where you can actually create your own business creating these little videos for people on Fiverr. It makes it really easy. You should easily be able to cover your expense per month getting out there and making these things for people on Fiverr. And you can also, you know, there's Upworks, there's a whole bunch of other places where you can create, you can put it out there and create this stuff for clients. So let's go over the bonuses again real fast. Bonus number 1, how to cash in with Viddyoze. Bonus number 2 is how to sell videos on Fiverr. Bonus number 3 is create logos for your clients with Logo Studio. So you're going to get a logo software to create logos for people. And bonus number 4 is the SEO Blast your site to #1 SEO training to help you get your site ranked. And then bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses. That's all I got for you. Click on any of these big yellow buttons. They are on this bonus page, and the link to this bonus page is down in the description below. Click on it and take a gander at what you're going to get. My name's Darrell Hammond. I appreciate your time, taking the time to watch this video. Go ahead and click like, click subscribe, ring that notification bell so when I do add any content to my channel, you'll be notified and you'll be the first to be able to see it. And sometimes that matters. Let's see, what else? Oh, leave a comment below. Let me know how things are going for you. If you have any questions or issues that you're having, ask. I will try to do my best to help you out. Maybe get you over that obstacle, through that obstacle, or over that hurdle that you are experiencing, and you can get on your way. And that's about it. Man, I appreciate you stopping by. Once again, my name's Darrell Hammond. DarrellHammond.com is the website. Go there, check it out, and we'll see you next time. You have a wonderful day. See ya.